What's your problem? Tap her. Metiaka. Darling, touch her. Can you
Get up
talk?
and leave here. Get up, get up, leave.
Ogini.
Get up, get up, get up.
What's
get
the
up, get
matter?
up. Hey, I don't
What's
like
the
your
matter?
No, I'll call her father to come and take her.
Ogini.
Leave, get up, get up. Oh, where is the girl so sad? Is you're here? Okay. Get up, get up. When I talk, you obey. Get up. Get up, get up, get up. Oh. Leave. You don't misbehave in the most of our car. When they say sit down, you sit down. Don't rest your head, don't rest your head. Move. If you don't want to be in the car, I'm going to take you out to work. I'm telling you to leave. Don't try me. Leave. Come on, please, don't misbehave. If you're not excited about the camp, you leave. We're not actually forcing you. If you must stay here, you must behave. Go inside if you don't want to be a part of what they're doing. When your father asks you why you're not in the video, I'll tell him you're misbehaving. Why are you frowning like we're doing so? Everybody here is having a good time. You're frowning like you're forced to come to camp. I just told her to leave. I don't see and she has obeyed. Why is she trying to make others disobey? Go inside if you don't want to be a partaker of what we're doing. You're here to have fun. You don't push others to misbehave. Let me sit down now here. You're put on there. I'm calling her daddy to come and take her. I will refund the daddy. You think I joke? You don't want to have fun, you go. You want to teach you how to make soup. You don't know you're a girl. Now, if you're not happy, go home. If anybody is late, I'll call daddy to go. I don't tolerate indiscipline. I'm a teacher. Be happy. This place is for you to have fun. Enjoy yourself. Make new friends. Exchange numbers. Continue talking. You don't come to that and you're always frowning. I say, put up your head. You don't want to. If you don't want to have fun, you go. Why are you coming out now? Are you going to behave yourself now? Yeah. Don't know you have crazy teachers. I'm crazy. Behave yourself. Come and sit down and do what others are doing. And be nice. Make new friends.
They should give me.
Don't stress me. You stress me, you leave the camp.
Do nothing.
She's not smiling. Her sister was shy initially, but she's now associated. If you tell her she's frowning, you know you leave so that you don't pass negative energy to people. Smile, smile, be happy, feel okay. When I say don't rest your head, don't rest your head. Mommy was calling her hello, hello, and you're like, you don't know it's you they're talking to. You don't do that around me. Why was she doing music like you did not respond? You cannot answer when I'm talking. Apologize. I have 200 students all over the world. More than 200 students in the USA. I teach you your parents. I teach parents. You don't come to this place and misbehave. That's why if you don't want, I tell you to go. I report your daddy. You go home. So when your mommy, when they're calling you, behave yourself. Don't give us a negative. Don't bring that negative vibe. Have your phone as a thing, but don't bring the negative vibe. Did you hear me? You've been making drama successfully. Have you seen my own drama? Is it nice? Good. So behave yourself.
Good. We are good to go. We are Mazin. Anyway, don't be annoyed. We are here to learn. Like I told you yesterday, we have to be intentional about what we are here for. We are children, but children learn with fun. You need to be happy that you're here. Okay? Today we want to cook. Who loves egusi soup? Who likes to eat egusi? Do you know how to make it? No. How many of you know how to make egusi soup? You don't know, but you like eating egusi. So that's what we're gonna eat this afternoon. Yakai geri this afternoon. See, yakai geri. Yakai geri. Ofe egusi. Ofe egusi. Ofe egusi. Do you know what is egusi in English? Good. Melon. Sure. That's the egusi you eat. It's melon. Yes, that's it. I'll show you. This is the seed of the melon. The melon seed. That's it. Are you seeing it? Have you seen it before? Have you seen it before? That's the melon seed. Okay, when they are grinding it. This one has already been grinded. Okay? We have grinded it. This is the egusi. Yes, good girl. Darling, are you part of us? Come and sit here. So this is egusi soup, egusi seed. It has been grinded in the market. Hmm? We go to market, they will help, or you use your blender in the house. It's more hygienic to use the blender in the house. You don't know what they are used. No, they keep grinding in the market, different ones. But if you have your own blender, it's better you use your own blender because it's going to be more hygienic using yours. Okay. So this is the melon. All right. Now, what else do we need for this wonderful soup? I want you to say this. Who knows the name of this thing in Igbo, in your dialect? Good. That's good. Give him a round of applause. Koreaka, Koreaka. Good. Ano, ano. This is ano. See? Ano. Right, oh. Because you are going to make it for your parents when you get home. Yes, so you tell your mommy, yeah, mommy, can I make egusi soup? Mommy, come see go ofe egusi, ofe egusi. Yes, you have. Yes, darling. Meat. That's what I just showed you. Anu is what? What did I say? Anu is what? Meat is what? Anu is what? Good. Now, this is anu. Egusi. Egusi. Hmm? Oh yeah. Gịnị dị nke a? Chere. It's not azu. You are getting you are almost there. So, azu. You are the sound. We need to get the correct sound. Okay. Azu. Have you seen it? You have this. It's not the sound. It's not azu. We have azu, which is back. Your back is azu, but this is what? Azu. Have you seen the sound? You know we have what do you call it in English? Phonemes. What do you call it? Homophones. They sound alike, but they are different in meaning. Okay, homophones. So this is azu. The word azu is your back. Fish. Fish is what? Fish is what? Fish is what? Azu. Azu is what? Back. Have you seen the sound now? I said it's homophones. Azu is your what? No. Fish is azu. 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 Have you seen it? Azu, back. Azu, fish. Can you say it? Az is what? Azu is what? Good. So azu is back. What do you want to say? This is smoked fish. It's fish that have been what? What do I say? It has been what? Smoked. Do you know what it means to smoke a fish? What do you mean? They kind of grill the fish. But we use local charcoal or firewood to do it. It will not dry it. Okay, that's what it's called, smoked fish or dry fish. Okay, this is the catfish you normally eat. This is a catfish, but it has been smoked. Catfish, that's the catfish, huh? But it's dry, it's smoked. Good. Next thing we are going to use for this wonderful soup is this is another type of, what's this? No, it's not crayfish. It's not crayfish. Is it shark? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, huh? No, it's what? Stockfish in Igbo. We want to hear it in Igbo. What's the name in Igbo? Yeah, your mom used to tell you that. Hmm. And his mom used to tell him that, and he has forgotten. Why didn't you put it inside your head? And you have to. 2023 is not far away. 2 years ago. It's 2 years ago. Yeah, it's 2 years ago. Either way. All right. What do we say? What do we call it in Igbo? No, in Igbo. Igbo. Achọrọ m ka ị kpọọ ya n'Igbo. Kpọọ ya n'Igbo. Call it in Igbo. You will just look at my mouth because you will not cut your tongue. It's called Oporoko. Can you can you say it? Eh? Oporoko, not Opo. The end is ko. Oporoko. What do I call it? That's stockfish. This is the flesh of it. Then I will show you another one. This is stockfish. Oporoko. Can you spell it? Can somebody spell it for me? Mm-hmm. You are getting it. You get to say yes. Okay, you got it before. Wow, give her a round of applause. She got it. Oporoko. So Okporoko. Oporoko. So this is it. We have another Oporoko, but this you know the head. Have you seen the head before? Have you seen big? Wow, very big. So we blended the head. We blended the head. We grinded it so that it will not have too much bones when you are eating it. You know you are children. We don't want you to have bones. Okay? It's what? Yes, when an adult you can like it, but children will say it's bony. You don't want bone. Okay? So this is it. This is the head. And they have been blended. This is Oporoko head, the stockfish head. We have blended it so that when you put it, the taste of the Oporoko will still, the head of the Oporoko will still come out. Are you police? You are watching
Chimamanda just came here now. Auntie Love, Chimamanda.
Chimamanda, don't distract us. So this one is the Oporoko head that they have been blended. It's for the flavor. When you add it into the soup, it brings out the flavor. That's what makes it unique. Now, what else do we have here? This is crayfish. What do you call it in Igbo? Isha. Clap for yourselves. You got it? Clap for yourselves. Isha. Then what else do we need? We have, this is vegetable. What vegetable is this? This is not water leaf. Look at it very well. You know, they're all green, but look at it very well. It's not bitter leaf. We use bitter leaf for gusi, but this one is another kind of vegetable. It's not uziza. It's not seaweed. We don't eat seaweed. Okay. Yes, you use it for other vegetables. Add another vegetable. What another vegetable? It's called ugu leaf. That's pumpkin leaf. Fruited pumpkin. We have two types of pumpkin. We have fruited pumpkin. This is there's another pumpkin that will eat the fruit. But this one is called, yes, they are all edible. Pumpkin, a fruited pumpkin. This is fruited pumpkin leaf. Ugu in Igbo. We call it ugu. U-G-U. Ugu. What do you say? Ugu. Say it. What? If you want to make vegetable soup, you use this one. Then there's another one, water leaf. You know water leaf? Have you seen water leaf before? Maybe. Good. Now, This is what?
Onion.
What do we call it in Igbo? Ihe a na-akpọ ya n'Igbo. Eh, we have here Igbo. We have our language. We don't follow Igbo. This one is English. Onions is English. Here. Here is English now. Say yabas. What do you say? That's what we call it, yabas. So this is what yabas. Onion makes sense. What does onion mean? Is it because it's a white man's language that you say it does not make sense? Now we have, yes, in Igbo, call it yabas or ayo. Call it ayo. All right. What is in Igbo? In Igbo. In Igbo. It's oil, but what is the name in Igbo? Actually, in Igbo. I want you to say it to me in Igbo. Say it in Igbo. We are in Igbo class. Ngwa. Oil. What's the Igbo name for oil? Manuri. What do I say? Manu. Manu. Manuri. We have different manu. We have groundnut oil, manu. This is for food. They call it manuri. This is palm oil. Okay? You know how it's got, how they make it. Have you ever seen how they make it? Yes. From palm trees, yeah. Then how do we extract this oil? You boil it, the boil is it. That's
like the seeds that like covered
reddish. Yes. You have to pound it. Then you keep cooking until this one will come up. That's how to make palm oil. Huh? We are rich in food. Now, how do we start to make the food? The first thing you do, we have pepper. We all know pepper. What do we call pepper in Igbo? Ose. Good. Ose. What do I say? Ose. What do we call it? Ose. Ose is pepper. Then, what do we call salt in Igbo? What do we call salt in Igbo? You will have to be putting these things inside your head, though. No. What do I say? What do I say? All right. Now, we want to start the preparation, how to prepare your egusi soup. Okay? First, you have to wash your meat. This one has been washed. You have to wash it with salt or vinegar or anything that will kill the germs. No, you will buy it from the market. I don't know the name, but I know that you have to make sure you wash it thoroughly with clean water, salt, or something that will kill the germs. Okay? So you wash it very well. After washing it, you parboil your meat. You try to put it on fire. And even the kitchen is wide enough, I would have invited all of you to come to the kitchen when I'm cooking so that you see the way it's cooked. But I need to be writing it down. You parboil your meat. What do I say? After washing it, you parboil it with these onions here, and this is seasoning. This is Knorr cube. You can use any seasoning of your choice, but this is Knorr cube. So you add English name. We have our own local seasoning, but this is the one we use for it. Sometimes we use the local. I will teach you another soup that we use our ogiri, which is our local seasoning. Okay, so this one is you parboil it and you add your onions, and please can you? Thank you. After parboiling it, as it's boiling, you add this one. You know, this one is very hard. So you have to parboil it with the meat. Pour it inside this one as this one is boiling. they will boil together. Okay? As boil it. Then, as it's still boiling, you have to wash this fish and debone it. Make sure you remove all the bones because of yes, it will not stuck your throat. So you use water and salt, wash it, debone it, keep it. Then you add it as the meat and this one is as the stockfish are boiling together. You add your fish inside it, like the next 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. Okay? What did I say? 20 to 25 minutes. So the next thing you do after you bring it down, you put your pot on the fire. Flame pot. Flame pot. Yes, your stew pot or your soup pot. Put it on fire. Add this oil on it. Yes. When it's doing like that, you add yabas, the onions. Okay? After adding the onions, the next thing you add is the egusi. You put your egusi. It will not be dry, oh, like 2 minutes. Okay? After 2 minutes, add your egusi and stir. Keep stirring it. Stir it for like 3 minutes. You make sure that you have stirred the egusi very well. Are you listening to me? I will ask you questions after my teaching. I'm going to ask you questions after my teaching. Please, little boys, can you give us? So, you now add water. What did I say? After what? When do you add your water? Good. Then you add your water, stir it again, then cover it. The egusi will not swell up to be, it will come up like this little egusi now. Before you know it, you will not see plenty soup inside your pot. It will go up, to puff up. Then you stir it. After stirring it, you add all these things. No, not vegetable. That fish and the meat, the parboil, you pour it inside and stir it again and cover it to simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay? So you add your crayfish. Add your crayfish, add your pepper and your seasoning. Okay? By then you start perceiving the aroma of the soup. You start perceiving, you open one, oh wow. You know that egusi soup is on fire. Okay? So the next, after 5 to 10 minutes again, you now add your vegetable. The vegetable does not cook for long. If you add vegetable 2 minutes, you are, in fact, a minute, you are done. Okay? Then you stir. When you add your vegetable, you stir it. So this thing I've taught you now is that you add your seasoning and your salt. Remember, that's what you will do because you are going to eat the egusi soup this afternoon. So this thing I have taught you is how the soup you are going to eat is made, is prepared. Okay? Does anybody have a question to ask? Can somebody stand up and tell me what I have taught now, how to make egusi soup? Good.
Okay. So first, one of the ingredients we have anu, egusi, azu, okoroko head, isha, ugu, abas or ayo, maniri,
Ose.
ose and ugu.
Good.
First, you parboil the meat, salt, and seasoning cubes.
Good.
After a few minutes, add the stockfish to the parboil. Debone the fish and add it to the
Avoid.
parboil.
As it's boiling, oh, you know.
As it boils. Take another pot and add the palm oil and onions into the pot. Wait, then add the egusi. Pour the parboil into the pot and add all your and then add all your seasonings. Then add your vegetables.
Good. Um, put your hands together for her. Para Neaka. It does not take long to make egusi soup, but it's one of my favorites. Okay, so I'm sure I have partners, those that love egusi soup. Yeah. If it's after today, you will like it. Those that do not like egusi soup, you had egusi soup. You don't like swallow. But you are not. You are an African lady. You are an African lady. Every African child should know how to swallow. That is our main food. Our forefathers never eat all this rice, spaghetti, all those things. They eat. Use your hand. Have you seen the Indians eat? Do they use fork? Do they use spoon? What do they use to eat? That is how we. They put inside their soup and they eat with their hands. They wash their hands very well. We Africans, we eat with our hand, and what we used to eat with our hand is swallow. It's either gari or fufu or semo or pando or amala. Pounded yam. That's pounded yam, very big. So if you don't know how to swallow, my dear, you are missing, because that is our main food. In fact, yesterday some people were saying that we've not eaten our main food, which is swallow, and that's why you are here. We have gari, we have semo. That's the same thing. Utara. Utara. We call it utara in Igbo, but if you have not made it, if you have not made the food, if that gari, that thing we call it gari, but when it's made, it's called utara. Then fufu. Have you seen fufu? Who has seen fufu here? Good. So fufu too is utara. Anything that you swallow is utara. And that is the main dish for Africans. That's our main food. So anybody that say, I don't like swallow, I don't like swallow, I don't know what that means you have to go and learn how to swallow. I'm sure your mommy cooks soup. Your mommy, does she cook soup? She doesn't cook soup. She does. And you don't want to try it. You need to try it. You need to start eating swallow. You have to. Okay, apart from gari, what else do you like to swallow? Do you like pando? Do you like semo? Gari is different from pounded yam. Okay? You like oha soup? We'll make oha soup tomorrow. Why? You like oha soup? Okay. Oha soup. Who are those that like oha soup? Raise your hand. We are going to make oha soup tomorrow. All right? So that's how to make egusi. You continue with your learning now. So I'll go to the kitchen so that in the afternoon, those who said they don't eat swallow will eat it today. You have not done anything. It's because you're an African. You must learn. Yeah. Ah, excuse me. You are saying why you African? Are you blaming God for bringing you into Africa? Oh no, I'm sure you are not blaming God. You don't know there's a purpose for why you are here. Because you are going to show your own, you are going to make a unique, you are going to fulfill your purpose here in Africa. We have more, see, somebody is saying it. We have more natural, most of the things they are using abroad is from Africa. Do you understand? They came and took us away and put us there to come and be farming for them. And they came back and collected most of our mineral resources, and they told us they are going to refine it for us, blah, 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 and deceived us. So Africa is naturally endowed. We are blessed. So whatever God has given us in Africa, and this food you are eating here, they are all medicinal, not chemical. There are no chemical. They are chemical. Most of them are coming from natural. They are natural food. Look at this okporoko now. It's from the sea. It has not been processed. They only smoked it. Look at this fish. You know what this fish is from the water too. Smoked. Nothing has gone into it. Look at this okporoko head too. Crayfish, we all know what crayfish is, also from the water. These are seafood. The oil also is natural. So whatever you are eating in Africa is natural. Not burger, not this burger, Indomie. So ihe niile unu na-eri, ihe unu na-eri, the Igbos, especially we Igbos, we the Igbos. That's why we say we have pride. We don't have pride. It's just the way God has created us. We have natural food. Our soup is the best in the whole world. Oha soup, usala soup, egusi soup, okra soup. You have onugbu soup. All these are medicinal, and they are from the Igbo tribe. So you should be happy and proud to be an Igbo chap. Okay? So mommy is going to the kitchen to make the soup. So in the afternoon, that will be the ingredients. I'm carrying them away. I'm taking to the kitchen to go and cook your soup. What are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with it? I want to go and cook it so that you can eat. There will be time for lunch so that you eat the egusi soup. Okay? So what do you say to me?
Thank you, ma.
Ndewo. Nwunye Maazị. Anyị emesigo. Jụọ ha ajụjụ.
Okay. Biko ka anyị kọrọ nụ Mrs. Mọmi anyị Oriakụ Nwakere Ndụ aka ka anyị kọrọ nụ ya aka unu adị akwa ka asị gị kwa Olivia na-enye nsogbu ọ bịakwasị bisi break time mekasị okay, so mọmi agụzikwara anyị ihe eji esi ofe gịnị ka ọ chọrọ isi taa? Ofe gịnị? Ofe egusi. Hey. You tasted like ofe ya na-atọrọ ịkpọ. Ofe ya na-atọrọ ịkpọ. Si ofe ya na-atọrọ ịkpọ. Ofe ya na-atọrọ ịkpọ. So delicious. My little boy is over there. Be careful. You're making a lot of noise. See, ofe ya na-atọrọ ịkpọ.
Ofe ya na-atọrọ ịkpọ.
Ọ na-atọwa ntị.
Ọ na-atọwa ntị.
When something is so delicious, Igbos will say the thing is too sweet that your ear will just burst. Ọ na-atọwa ntị. It means, look, you can't quantify or explain how delicious it's going to be. So, mommy akụzigoro anyị ọtụtụ ihe eji esi ofe gịnị? Mba, ofe gịnị? Ofe gịnị? Ngwa ka anyị bidozie chere godi aha jiri nwayọ Elijah nwaji. Ọ gịnị na?
Onye amụma.
Ngwa gaa nọrọ ọdụ. Onye amụma ọtọ eme.
Onye amụma.
Ngwa ka anyị bidogodi gịnị bụ nke a?
Egusi. Igbo.
No, Igbo now. What are we doing with English? Gịnị bụ nke a?
Onye kwuru melon ahụ?
Gịnị bụ nke a? Egusi. Kwọrọ n'onwe unu aka. Misi Agata na-ekwu ụmụ gị jee n'edodo. Jewe ebe ahụ anọ. Jewe ebe a. Gị na ha nọ ebe a. Gịnị bụ ihe a na-acha uhie? What is the Igbo name? Ọzọ. Ọzọ. Mmanụ nri kọrọ n'onwe unu aka. Gịnị bụ nke a? Gịnị bụ nke a? Ayo. Say or in Igbo is maọbụ. Say ayo. Yabasị maọbụ ayo kọrọ nụ ya aka. Gịnị bụ nke a? Onye ọzọ? Azụ. Yes. Kọrọ n'onwe unu aka. Gịnị bụ nke a?
The seasoning.
So you call it opei bekee. Maggi, yes, Maggi. Our own Maggi is opei, but this is opei. Opei bekee or ogiri bekee. Ogiri bekee. So let's go with opei bekee. 1, 2, go. Gịnị bụ nke a? Opei bekee. Gịnị bụzi nke a? Gịnị bụ salt? Nnu. Kọrọ n'onwe unu aka. Anyị na-elekwe. Let me tell you, your parents are watching you. Nne na nna gị na-ene gị. Ndị na-ekwu okwu. Ngwa, Aunty Agatha, sewambinye, also, sewambinye, kunye, change her sitting position. She needs to be in this class. You need to be, like, anya you kwesị gbado anya n'ihe a, and you're distracted. Ọsịsọ, pụtara, gịnị bụ nke a? Lekwe, the Igbo name. Ugu. What vegetable is called akwụkwọ nri o. Akwụkwọ nri, write it down. Akwụkwọ nri. Onye ọbụla detuo ya. Vegetables are called what? Akwụkwọ nri. You know that it's in America or all those they tell you carrot is vegetable. Cucumber vegetable. What again? Green pepper, bell pepper. In Igbo culture, this is our own word.
Akwụkwọ nri.
This is our own vegetable. Akwụkwọ nri. Onye ọbụla kpọọ na akwụkwọ nri.
But it's a particular akwụkwọ nri.
Mana nke a bụ akwụkwọ gịnị? Ugu. Go and get it. You will win something. She will win something in this camp. Gịnị bụ nke a? Pepper. Gịnị bụ pepper n'Igbo? Ose. Gịnị bụ nke a? Mba, crayfish.
Awu crayfish.
Oh, okay, blended is okporoko. Okay, this one is yes. We don't want you to see any bone in your what? Soup. In your food in this camp. We are so intentional. Ya mere anyị ji were isi okporoko wee kwọrie ya kwọrie. Look, it's so delicious. You will taste it in your soup. Nke a wee bụrụ gịnị? Mba o. Okporoko. Nke a wee bụrụ gịnị? Isha. Onye ọbụla kpọọ ya. O nwekwa ndị na-akpọ ya ayara.
Ayịya.
Nke a wee bụrụ gịnị? Gịnị bụ nke a? Kpọrọ n'onwe unu aka. Now, upon the preparation of this soup, I'm going to pick the best people that participated in answering questions, so they follow mommy to the kitchen. They are going to witness the cooking process. Number 1, Oli baby, move this way. Now go now. Number 2, give me a your name. Now, I'm going Number 3, give me a Nancy, Wakuda, Koroniaka. Number 4, Chizaram. Yes, Koroniaka. They are going to witness the cooking of this soup. Number 5, this little baby here. She was talking. Yes. Sophia, Koroni Sophiaka. Elijah. Koroniaka. Yes, he was answering. He was participating. Then God just helped her at the final time. She now talk. What's your own name? Give me again. Everyone they call me Aka. Yes. Now these are the people that will follow mommy to the kitchen to go and witness the cooking of this soup. Can we clap for them? Because now help mommy to pick one thing to the kitchen. Start going one after the other. Those of you that were busy laughing, parents who na afukwa na o, obukwa kashia. Obukwa kashia. Okwa ndi kwuru okwu. Sarah was talking, everybody was talking. Some people just felt nonchalant. Because they say no again. Boy. Daalụnụ ka ọ dị n'ugbo ọzọ na Usekwu Igbo na kpakpando language of the question. Daalụnụ.
This is here. Now,
For you. So these people are my wonderful students. They are actually people. They were talking, though. Yeah. Grandma is turning the keep your book. It's like what you will do here. You will not be giving what you will put. You will be going on.
mommy, you got to have passage. You got to
Mommy is a chago. Mommy is almost done now. The soup will soon come to.
Now we are going to put the fish inside the pot.
You need to follow because you will cook this soup. Oh. Yes. Mom is leaving now. Mom is leaving now. Hey, too much. Yes. Mommy, nothing for you. I got that. So that my babies can see enough space. Where's the cover?
Okay.
know this. She will tell you to give, but just
the bone. Now we are putting, oh yeah, we are putting, are you seeing it? Front,
Oh, can I get that? Can I?
you put small salt, fish, add again another size like that. Are we blocking you? Now you add it. We add water. So this water will be our stock, right?
The people that will be making us no, the whole.
Excuse me, please. For this school. All my children were something else I bought. Excuse me. It's called the You know what is common?
Yes.
Yes. You know it. So we're going to add it to this soup. Hmm? I want us to add it to this soup. Yes, hello. We're going to clean up. Check it. You don't have it. Is it? What's there? What's that? Wait. Take that water away. This is your the younger ones to say that you like hard work. Mm, okay. So time for us to start our egusi. Now I have to transfer it to this side. I'm using this bigger one.
Palm oil
Good.
and our onions.
Good.
Yes.
So I have to go and get my palm oil. Okay. Right. Sure.
Sometimes I like using onions. The reason I like it is because I the reason I like onions is because
You have to shake the oil. Okay.
so I don't oil on the top is like
Good. That's good.
I sit down.
No, don't put it. Not yet. Not yet. Okay. Wait. Yes. This is part of it. This is egusi. Add the melon seed. Yes. Uh, hold on a bit. Yeah, put the easy so that it does not. No, 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 not yet. Put all this one. Run. Somebody will step. You like the smell? Now we are putting our egusi. Are you seeing it? I won't put all. Ah. Yeah. Bring that one in the plate. Bring that one in the plate. Pour it. Pour it. Pour everything. Good. Yeah, pour everything. Good. Somebody had to be getting me water. Make sure you get water for me. Wash, clean up, well, remove this bottle water from the tap. Bring water. This is not pour everything. Bring water. Bring more water. Bring water. Bring water.
And you guys are blocking the camera. Hello. Take here.
Bring water. Pour everything. Good. No, let's wait now. It will rise when we cover it to cook. You make sure that you keep turning it. If not, it might. Get me smaller spoon so I can remove the one here.
Like a small spoon.
Yes.
Or iron spoon.
Yes. Iron
Yes.
spoon.
Just take that. Bring that one. No, not that one. Get that one. Yes. Oh, just take that one. Just bring it like that. Jesus, my head hurts. Whoa.
You don't know what is small spoon.
This one. You can't even pour it first.
Everything.
Look at that. You're lucky enough. I would have made it into anything.
Pour more water. Put more water because we pour water.
Wait, Sarah. Sarah, stop.
Not yet. Well, not yet. Are you watching what I'm doing? Let's fry it small. Cool. Okay. Come up. Okay.
Okay, so
Wait a bit.
come back.
Oh, come back.
Back, so terrible.
The next 10 minutes, come back. Okay. Don't go far. Oh. Never even eat breakfast. Everybody may know also. I hope the guy listens to you, man. Of course. Mommy.
Dalu. Dalu.
Everybody has got a bit. No.
Exactly enough.
Oh. Everybody.
Nobody should fall over anybody, so not land on your hand.
Sophie.
Zara.
Yeah. Zara.
Pepe. But what is Pepe? Zara.
Zara, don't let it now.
Zara, you are down of it already. Zara went into the boys and hostel. No. She went inside one of the boys' rooms. Mommy also asked her questions.
I have. I've only seen
I don't like
dining
her
table
fish.
because on the first day,
I don't like
the teenagers
when
ate the dining table because we were only like 6.
it's grinded. Yeah, I like but
I like
when
the fish. I like the flavor of it.
it's so nice. Yeah. But when it's not grinded, it's so pokey.
Are you seeing what we are cooking?
Yeah.
Our soup is coming
Now
out.
it looks like egusi.
Now it looks like it.
No, it does not look like we need the leaves. Leaves only.
But it looks like there's leaves inside.
What is the name of
The meat and everything that the fish and the meat. You know? I told you our food is very rich. So all this we have our proteins, we have our vitamins, we have our oil, we have our carbo, we have our carbs and
our
the vegetable,
iron.
the iron. Everything is complete. We have our salt. Everything is, we have vitamins, Abi.
I'm not starting to perceive the I'm perceiving it
Are
very
you not
well.
perceiving it?
It's
Even those in the battle should be perceiving it by now.
I'm perceiving it very, very well.
Uncle is perceiving it very well.
I hope it's very sweet.
Oh!
Now, touch your nose. What about your nose?
I really want to taste it.
No salt.
Huh? It's true, we have to put salt. We have to put salt.
Yeah, you do.
Open it.
It's not strong, just remove the head.
Daddy's spoon.
Yes. Mommy, how about you?
Use this.
Don't worry.
Can I turn it?
It's hard though. You can't.
Wait. You can.
Well, this thing is not balanced. Okay?
Oh, okay.
That's fine.
So that if one thought because it's vanished, you will starve until dinner.
Yeah.
I don't mind if I eat pop-corn. I'll not
Puff. No, come and eat puff now. I'm not even taking it's not going to enter my plate.
Yeah, sure.
People don't know. If I say I don't like something, who see me eating it?
My dad, I'm still betting.
Like I don't like ice cream. I haven't eaten ice cream in a year and a half.
Who likes ice cream? What about vanilla flavor?
I don't like ice
Where do you
cream
want to put
at
it?
all. At all.
So if you go to Shoprite and you see ice cream, don't like it.
No, I don't.
So you rather take beans than ice cream.
No, oh yes, I hate it. Oh my gosh. It's even why is my strawberry ice cream tasting like plastic?
No, it's a different type of ice cream. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee?
Give them less than on the soup.
I don't like creamy stuff. Like ice cream is just on my list.
But
Sophia.
do you like apple?
When has apple also? Dada?
Yeah, I don't like apple.
Apple creamy.
Take. Don't eat.
I said I don't like creamy stuff.
Zara, move.
Can you go?
Zara, sheep. Zara, sheep.
We're going to cover this soup too.
Yes.
Very cool. Be able to. This is
Like you can use red.
Oh, I like red because it has more flavor.
This one, yellow pepper too. You can also add the yellow pepper. White pepper is not for this. We use it mainly for rice table.
There's something like white pepper.
Yes. But there's no pepper. Oh. They just call it white
Like
pepper.
salt.
These white people that used to drink.
White
It's
pepper.
not pepper.
No, no salt.
White pepper does not pepper. At all. Does not
That's
pepper.
just a formality.
Yeah.
What else today? I like green pepper more than green pepper is not even pepper. That one is bell. I like bell.
So we cover it.
I have like six bell.
Everybody should go and do not put this vegetable at once. Okay?
Is it almost done?
Almost. I told you it does not take time. You want to snap? No. Enjoy your soup, okay?
Then I wait, she wants to snap me. She wants to get you. She wants to get you.
Yeah, no, I'm
Oh, yes, she wants to get you.
Where is the boy now? We're supposed to be in our
He left school.
Oh my
I
God.
never came back.
Wow. Our soup is ready for eating.
Oh, yeah, the soup is ready.
Our soup is ready
It's
for.
your head, I'm seeing.
Sophia.
Come this way. Come this way. Come this way. Come this way so that they will snap you. Come this way. Are you seeing Sophia's face now? Wow. They are cooked.
You and your position.
These are the people that cook this soup. Are you seeing the team? The team that cooked the soup. Wow. All right.
Off we go.
I did that one. Ha! Catch fire.
How much food will you eat?
Hello.
Enough. A lot.
Why not?
But I like it to be a hustle.
Oh, is it time for lunch?
Yes.
What time?
Lunch is at 12 to 1:30.
12 to 2:30.
Huh? They are calling you.
Paper is 1:30. 12 to 1:30.
Make more than 1:30.
What do you know? Come on, let's go back.
Sit down.
Come here, come here.